What if you could design your own book cover in 5 minutes? No designer needed. For less than a cup of coffee? If you bring your own cup, it's free, forever. Most indie authors pay $300 for a book cover. Wait, 2 weeks? And hope the designer gets it right. What if I told you there's a better way? This is RS Cover Studio. Let me show you how it works. Cover Studio gives you 2 ways to create your book cover. You can type a description and let the tool generate an image for you. That costs 1,500 credits, less than $1. Or you can upload your own image and design your cover completely free. Let me show you both. First, generate image path. I'll type a prompt. And in about 30 seconds, your cover image is ready. Now the free path. I already have an image. Click Upload. Select the file. Done. This is the image I will be using for this book cover. Add your book details. Title: The Lady Boss's Favorite Sin. Subtitle: He was her empire, she was his undoing. Author: Balani Katala. Now trim size, you've got 4 options. 5x8 for novellas. 5.2 5x8 is KDP Popular. That's Amazon's most used size. 5.5 by 8.5 is the industry standard across all print platforms. And 6x9 for non-fiction or thicker books. I'm going with KDP Popular. Now let's pick a theme. Cover Studio has 10 themes, each with its own font pairing. Watch how the cover changes. My favorite is Sinag. That's what I'm going to use. You can move everything together, or control your title, subtitle, and author independently. Let me move the title to the top. Make it a little bigger. Pick a color that pops. This is the position I think is best for my layout. I chose cream color for my text. Add some depth, a soft shadow, maybe a glow, an outline if you need it, and a backdrop gradient for extra readability. You can also adjust your image, brightness, contrast, blur. A small tweak makes a big difference. Click 18 plus stamp. It appears on the cover. Export as PNG or JPG 300 dpi. Print ready for Amazon KDP, Ingram Spark, or anywhere you publish. That took less than 5 minutes. No designer, no freelancer, just you and your story. Try it for free at rssuite.com.